Hello and welcome to this BlackBerry unlocking tutorial for a Torch 9810. What we're going to be showing you here at blackberryunlocking.biz is how to acquire the information that we need to make you an unlock code so that your phone can be used with any SIM in the world. So what we need is the IMEI number and something called the PRD code. To find the IMEI number, click on your BlackBerry key to get your menu, choose options, then device, and then device and status information. You will then be presented with your IMEI number. This is a unique number of your phone and it's made out of 15 digits. The next bit of information that we need is underneath the battery on the phone, on a label stuck on the phone, and you will find a code starting with PRD, and in this example 225-78049. Now it's small, the print can be blurry. Do try to do your best to copy this information accurately. Any guessing and it's likely that we will generate either an incorrect code or we would need to manually check what's wrong with your order and then get back to you, and you won't benefit from the automated system when the information is basically perfect and we can process your code instantly without having to get back to you. So those are simple as that. Those are the two bits of information that we need to order your code. Visit our website blackberryunlocking.biz. You don't need to create an account or anything complex like that. You'll find in step 3 a form with 2 inputs where you can type in your IMEI number and the PRD code that you've just found. Click on buy now. It'll take you to PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, go ahead and use your credentials here. If not, you can pay directly with a credit card on the link below. Once we've received your order, if all the information is correct, in about 2 minutes we're going to send you back an email with your unlocking codes. So go into your inbox and check your mail and you'll see that you would have received a unlocking code from us. If you don't see it, again, it's worth checking the spam and junk folder. With Hotmail and other mail providers, I have a tremendous habit of eating emails into the spam folder. So do have a look in there, and if you haven't got anything from us in say 10 or 15 minutes, then it's worth understanding that there might be something wrong with your code. Just wait for us to email you back with sort of what needs to be checked. But we also have an online chat system, so if we're online, throw us the query, check with us, not a problem, or even email us. Either way, get in touch at any time you have any problems. So now, how do we use this code? Well, very simple. What we do is from the main screen we go and click the BlackBerry key and we want to switch off the network connections. So we go to manage connections and we basically untick mobile network and Wi-Fi, just basically turn all off and go back to the main menu again. Then follow by going into options and then device and then advanced system settings and then SIM card menu. You'll be presented with a screen that more or less looks like this, or even totally blank. We need to type in the following into the keyboard to get a little bit more detail on the screen, and to do that we type in the word mep, and that's spelled MEPD. By doing that sequence on the keyboard, you should move over to this next screen. If it doesn't change for you, just try again. It's easy to mistype it, but just try again and you'll be presented with this screen. If your phone says active for network, then it is locked and it needs unlocking. But also service provider could also be active. A lot of the time, like 99% of the time, it's not, but our email sends you both codes for network and service provider. So whatever you need, you've got it right there in your email. To unlock network, we need to type in on the keyboard, hold down Alt and keep it pressed down, and then type in mep2. This will then pop up a question to type in the unlock code. If you want to unlock service provider, you change that last 2 to a 4, and then again you'll be presented with a screen like this where you type in the code that we've sent into the into, when you type in the code that we've sent in the email, and it will then say code accepted, and then on the next screen you will see that the status will change either to inactive or disabled. And again, you can repeat the process if you need to unlock both network and service provider. You can repeat the process with Alt mep2, and then it will ask you for the service provider code and just type that straight in. Your phone is now unlocked. The most that you might need to do is reboot it by taking out the battery and putting the battery back in and giving the phone a reset. Do remember to go back into manage connections and turn your connections back on so that the phone is told to connect to the network that it has privileges for. If you found this video useful, put it to use, give us a like. If you've been one of our clients and you've enjoyed the service, do write your comments on our channel below. You're welcome to do so. Any kind of feedback is always welcome. So I hope this was useful. Thank you very much. From blackberryunlocking.biz. Get your coding minutes, and we're cheap. $2.49. That's about $3.90. We're in London, UK, but we unlock worldwide. Thank you very much for listening, and take care.